How to recover Bitget account, update 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest and most up-to-date method for recovering your Bitget account in 2025. Whether you've forgotten your password, lost access to your email, or are facing other login issues, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly identify why you might need to recover your account. Here are some common scenarios. 1. Forgotten your password. 2. Lost access to your registered email. 3. Two-factor authentication issues. 4. Suspicious activity or a locked account. If you're facing any of these, don't worry, we'll cover solutions for all of them step by step. Let's start with password recovery. 1. Go to the Bitget login page at www.bitget.com. 2. Click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. 3. Enter your registered email address and hit Send Verification Code. Now, check your email inbox. You should receive a code within a few minutes. Enter the code on the website, create a new password, and confirm it. Once done, you can log back in with your new password. What if you've lost access to your registered email? Here's what you need to do. 1. Go to the Bitget Help Center or contact their support team by emailing support@bitget.com. 2. Provide the following details. Your registered email address. Your account username, if available. Proof of identity, like a government-issued ID or recent transaction history from your Bitget account. Once you've submitted the request, Bitget's team will verify your identity and help you update your email address or restore account access. Next up, if you're having trouble with two-factor authentication, 2FA. 1. Use your backup recovery codes that you saved during the 2FA setup process. 2. If you don't have backup codes, contact Bitget support and explain the issue. They may ask for your identity verification, so be prepared with the required documents. If your account has been locked due to suspicious activity, 1. Check your email for any notifications from Bitget explaining the reason. 2. Follow the instructions in the email to secure your account. 3. If you can't resolve it, reach out to Bitget support with your account details and proof of ownership. And there you have it, a complete guide to recovering your Bitget account in 2025. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.